What is going on, everybody on YouTube? I'm coming at you guys again with another video. This is gonna be my first video back in a long time. I actually haven't really posted on this channel in over a year. So I finally kind of got the motivation to start filming again and editing again, start posting up some more. So let's hope that this momentum actually continues. Right now I'm kind of just talking over some B-roll footage of an old video that I had sitting on my laptop for a while. I actually got this pair of shoes quite some time ago, just finally came around to finally editing, doing the voiceover and posting it to the channel. So right here we have a all white pair of sneakers from the brand 424. 424 basically stands for 424 on Fairfax. For those of you who don't know, that is actually the address to the flagship store. So yeah, I got this pair of all white sneakers. Pretty much all it is an all white shoe, and the bottoms are dipped in rubber, so you can see kind of like the hardened drips of the rubber falling from the bottom of the shoe. It's a really like shiny, smooth material on the bottom. And just for the record, like I said, I filmed this when I was unboxing the shoes, but I've actually worn this shoe a number of times. The drips are actually gone at the bottom of the shoe from so much wear, but the rubber part was actually like kind of, I want to say like sticky, but it attracts a lot of lint. I guess that's how I'll say it. It attracts a lot of lint. But as you can see here, that's the all black box, and it came with the all black tote bag, which I thought was pretty cool. So this is the back of the shoe. The droplets on the bottom were actually like pretty hard. It was actually a little uncomfortable to walk on. First time wearing it, you can really feel it. But yeah, there's really nothing much left to say about the shoes. I mean, it's just a pair of all white shoes. I bought them because of the drips at the bottom. I thought that was pretty different. It also came with this red, I think it's leather pin. You can put it like on the side of the hat or something. I just put it on the shoelace for, you know, visual purposes. It has 424 right there embossed on the tongue. That was a really nice touch. It also has 424 on the side of the shoe. Kind of like reminds me of like the Air Force One where it says air on the side, or like Bapes does where it says ape or Bape on the newer pairs. But yeah, it's actually a pretty thick, no, it's not really a thick layer of rubber, but thick enough so you have to really like get that wear in. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it to the shoe. Let's go ahead and put these on feet and see what they look like on feet. You can wear it with anything. Perfect summer shoe, perfect everyday wear shoe. I plan on beating these up to the ground, make them like super beat, super dirty. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys again for tuning into my channel. I will be posting more soon, very soon. So make sure you guys subscribe, catch all my latest videos. If you guys want to see more 424 pickups, make sure you guys leave a like on the video. And I'll see you guys on the next one.